Classy, perfect, advanced, leading, luxurious. These are the words that describe this watch. It's an honor to work on one of the Holy Trinity of watches, the Patek Philippe. Over the years, this exquisite timepiece has accumulated dust and grime, diminishing its aesthetic appeal. The owner discovered my work through YouTube and was initially hesitant, fearing that servicing might reduce its value. However, after explaining the process, he entrusted this masterpiece to me. Join me as I restore this premier watch to its former glory. Watch the entire process and witness the transformation of this exceptional Patek Philippe.